In this video, let's talk about how to fix Telegram story not uploading. Now, in this situation, what you need to do is verify the media specs. Telegram limits the story uploads based on the file size as well as the length. So make sure that you try a shorter as well as a low resolution video, usually under a minute. If this is not the case for you, then what you could try out is try to clear out or wipe out the Telegram app cache. Simply tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and cache and make sure you tap on the clear storage option. What this does is deletes any sort of corrupted files, so you will also get now logged out of your account. Make sure you log it back and try to see if the issue is resolved. If the issue still persists, then what you could also try out or ensure is that you have a stable connection. Having connection issues, you could try switching your data. You can try switching your network from your Wi-Fi to your cellular data. Now, if none of these solutions are still working out for you, this is likely happening due to the server side issue or the Telegram being down right now. In this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically resolved. So I do hope this kind of video did help you out. If it did, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.